Have you ever heard of UrbanDictionary.com? If not, you're missing out on some fun. This is a website where anyone can add words and definitions that are used in everyday language. Unlike Webster's Dictionary, Urban Dictionary allows users the freedom to give a word any definition, whether it's true to its meaning or purely fun. Our team, Life's a Bit, has decided to create a game that uses Urban Dictionary's crude humor to continue entertaining people with their mobile devices. The game is geared towards users ages 16 and older.
This is a front-end block diagram of our Android game application. It describes the user in button press actions and the pages that will be displayed. We will go through step by step and demonstrate how to use each of these pages.
I'm going to demonstrate how to use the app on a tablet. So you're at the screen and then you have to click to find all of the links, and then you click down here, which is our application. It's called Urban Savvy, and this is our introduction screen. There's a button that says press to continue, and that's what we're going to press. Once we press that button, press to continue, it brings you to the home page. The home page has 3 buttons: play, instructions, and disclaimer. If you want to go back to the previous screen, there's a button up in the corner, the back button. It'll show you again the back screen. If you want to find out how to play our game, there's an instructions button. So when we click the instructions button, it'll come to this screen. It's a short description of how to play the game, and once you read it, you'll be all set. Our disclaimer button is kind of funny, but you should check it out. Once you click the disclaimer button, there's a short description of why nobody should be offended by our game. So when you're at the home screen, obviously this is how you start playing the game. I click play, and as you can see here, on the top of the screen there's a description and there are 4 word choices. It also displays the score and how many strikes you have. So basically the game works that once you click a correct answer, the score will increase by 10. And if you get an incorrect answer, you get strike 1, but you are allowed to continue playing. If you get another incorrect answer, the strike goes to 2, and you only are allowed 2 strikes, so the game ends, and it takes you back to the home screen.
This is a block diagram of the back end of our game. It describes the software processes behind the scenes. Our game uses random number generation and array accessing to determine the words and definition displayed. We will now demonstrate gameplay.
Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate and show you how the score increases by 10 and how the strikes increase as I get incorrect answers. So I click to play. We're at 0-0 here. The first question is the reason so many people are born in November. And my answer choices are cereal, Valentine's Day, high school, or the internet. And I think the correct answer is Valentine's Day, so I'm going to click that. And it was correct, so you see that my score is now 10 and I have 0 strikes. My next question is the skin on your elbow. I'm going to choose the incorrect answer so that we can see what the strikes are. The question answers are Venus, lazy, cereal, and Christian. So I don't think the answer is lazy, so I'm going to pick that. And as you can see, the strike is now 1 out of 2, and my score is still 10. If I click an incorrect answer again, the game is going to exit and go to the home screen, so I'm going to do that. My question is to be out of marijuana, and my answers are Butterface, Shark, Dankrupt, and Freaking. So I don't think the answer is Shark, so I'm going to click that, and it was incorrect, and I am back at the home screen now. Alright, that's how our game works, so we